To connect Excel to Redshift, I grabbed this ODBC driver, the 32-bit one from Amazon. I just went in, I just installed it, and then when you install it, it wants some credentials. So I did the system DNS, and I filled this out, and after bringing up a Redshift cluster, I grabbed the URL here for the cluster and the database name and authentication, all that. And I just cranked it in here, URL, port number, database, authentication. I think I might have uploaded, I might have put a SSL search for Amazon here, tested it, and successfully tested. And then once that's going, Excel has a connection to Redshift, and I just went into S3, created a bucket, uploaded a bunch of plat files, and then copied from S3 into Redshift. Just made sure that I had some data up here, and then when I went into Excel, so I can see the data here in Redshift, like 50,000 records. Come on, Redshift, it's only 50,000. So here's the records, and then if I go into Excel and I go into data, get data, ODBC, I see the Redshift 32-bit driver right there, DSN, and then that just authenticates, and here's the database in my Redshift cluster, and then here's the same data that we were looking at. And if I load this data, I already loaded it into the first sheet. It just loaded 49,000 rows, which looks about right. And I think it gets even more interesting when you use Power Pivot and you actually pull in a bunch of tables joined in a data model. I want to try that next. Thanks a lot.